Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you 5 things that happy people do every day. If you see someone walking around with a smile on their face, chances are that they do these 5 things on a daily basis. And if you can manage to do these 5 things every day as well, you will be happy every day too. Let's get right to it. The first thing that happy people do every day is they do what they need to do. Now, we all have things that we want to do. We all have things that we like doing. But the point is that there are many things that we need to do on a daily basis. For instance, earning income. In order to earn income, you probably have to go to work. You might not want to go to work, but you need to go to work to earn income, to pay for your rent or mortgage or your electricity and so forth, and groceries and so forth. So you need to do it. That's one of those things that you just need to do. Household chores. Not many people want to vacuum or mop or dust their furniture, but it's something that is needed. So with that being said, a lot of happy people, most happy people understand that there are certain things that they need to do. They accept those things and they force themselves. They choose to be happy while they do those things. They make the choice to smile as they do the things that they need to do. And even if they don't want to do those things, they understand that they need to do them, and the need overpowers the want for those specific things. So that's the first thing that happy people do every day. They do what they need to do. The second thing that happy people do every day is they do what they want to do. So we all have passions. We all have things we enjoy doing. For you, that might be going for a bicycle ride. It might be going to work out. It might be watching your favorite TV show 3 days a week. Whatever it is, there are many things that we want to do, and happy people make sure to make time for those things every single day. They make sure to make the time to do those things that they want to do on a daily basis. And I think that the key is combining the first 2 things in this video. Combining the things that you need to do and the things that you want to do. So if you can find the perfect intersection between doing what you need to do and also doing what you want to do, making time for both, those are the first 2 steps towards being happy, okay? So, number 1, happy people do what they need to do. Number 2, happy people also do what they want to do every single day. Number 3, happy people make time for their relationships. Oftentimes, happy people are really busy. They're not really bored, they're really busy, but they always make time for the important relationships in their lives. Whether that is a spouse, a child, a niece, a nephew, an aunt, an uncle, a friend, a neighbor, a colleague, whoever it is, they figure out the important relationships in their lives and they make time for those important relationships. And it can be something as small as a text message, or it can be something as large as going on a vacation with the person that they have the relationship with. So they make time for the relationships on a daily basis. The important relationships. They don't necessarily make time for everyone in their life. They make time for the important people, the important relationships in their lives every single day. The 4th thing that happy people do every day is they make time to be physically active. Now, this can be a full-blown workout, or this can be something as simple as a 10-minute walk. And yes, I do understand that life can get very, very busy, and working out will oftentimes take up more time than simply not working out. But I will tell you right now that taking the stairs takes almost the same amount of time as taking the elevator. And that's because with the stairs, you can start walking up the stairs and down the stairs right away. Whereas with the elevator, you oftentimes will have to wait for the elevator, okay? And people will get off at various floors. And even if taking the stairs takes a little bit longer, you're getting a lot more value out of taking the stairs as opposed to taking the elevator. And as you take the stairs more and more often, you're gonna get faster and it's gonna be easier for you to take the stairs. So with all of that being said, if you can't make time to be physically active outside of your regular schedule, just choose to take the stairs. Park a little bit further from the grocery store and go for that extra little walk, okay? All of these tiny little things will add up, make you physically active. And when you're physically active, your body's releasing endorphins throughout your body. And you will feel much better. It will actually be easier for you to be happy when you've been physically active as opposed to when you've been physically inactive, okay? It's that simple. The fifth and final thing that happy people do every day, and this is often overlooked, is they give back. So yes, happy people will oftentimes take, in the sense that they fulfill their own requests first, but that doesn't mean that they forget about everybody else. They oftentimes will give back to everyone around them. And this can be something as simple as being well-mannered. If you can manage to say thank you and have a great day when you are at the grocery store and you're done getting your groceries, the person that served you, the cashier, is probably gonna feel better and feel happier, and that's giving back. And it only takes a second to say thank you, have a great day, or have a great evening, have a great afternoon. But it goes a long way, and happy people know that this small gesture will go a long way, so they give back. And even though it's something that is so small, it goes a long way. And they understand that something so small can hold so much value. But that's basically it. In this video, I have told you 5 things that happy people do every single day. Now, chances are, if you do these 5 things every day, you'll be happy too. And chances are, if you see someone that's always smiling, always happy, they probably do these 5 things on a daily basis. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.